Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Piano Man on C harmonica easy. Start by holding the harmonica gently between thumb and forefinger and position your mouth over holes 4 to 6 for the melody. Breathe from your diaphragm, use single notes, and practice bending on hole 3 to match the song's vocal slides. Practice slowly with a metronome, increase speed incrementally, and play along once the melody feels smooth and confident. We'll map the vocal melody to holes 4 to 6 and mark the key phrase to learn in short segments. Use rhythmic counting, clap or tap quarter notes, and loop 2-bar phrases until your timing locks in. Add basic bends on hole 3 for blue notes, keep posture relaxed, and practice with backing tracks to build confidence. Record yourself, listen for pitch accuracy, and repeat the hardest lines until they feel natural under your fingers and breath. Focus on controlled bends and tone to capture the song's feeling without forcing the note. Isolate hole 3 and practice small, gradual bends with slow releases until your ear recognizes the target pitch. Work on consistent breath support and mouth shape, record short takes, and compare them to notice subtle improvements. Build endurance by practicing in short sessions and prioritize clarity over speed for a musical, natural result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.